Welcome to the forefront of technology, where classical meets the quantum realm. Today, we delve into the captivating world of quantum computing, a revolutionary field that promises to transform our understanding of computation. Quantum computing may sound like science fiction, but it's very real and incredibly exciting. Let's embark on a journey into the quantum realm, shall we? In classical computing, we use bits, binary digits, as the smallest unit of information, represented as either 0 or 1. However, in quantum computing, we introduce qubits. Unlike classical bits, qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to the principles of superposition and entanglement. Imagine a coin spinning in the air. It's neither heads nor tails until it lands. Similarly, a qubit can exist in a state of 0, 1, or both simultaneously, opening up a vast array of possibilities for parallel computation. This parallelism allows quantum computers to perform calculations exponentially faster than classical computers for certain tasks. It's like exploring multiple paths simultaneously, enabling us to solve complex problems in a fraction of the time. Now, let's talk about entanglement, a phenomenon where the states of multiple qubits become correlated regardless of the distance between them. This interconnectedness enables quantum computers to process information in ways that were previously unimaginable. Entanglement also holds the key to quantum teleportation, a process where the state of one qubit can be transferred to another instantly, paving the way for secure communication and advanced encryption protocols. Quantum computing is still in its infancy, but the possibilities are boundless. From optimizing supply chains to simulating complex molecules for drug discovery, the impact of quantum computing on various industries will be profound. So, as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the quantum world, one thing is certain: the future of computing is quantum, and the journey ahead promises to be nothing short of extraordinary.